Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try, life keeps pushing you down? Like you're doing everything right, but nothing seems to work? This is the story of Vikram, a man who tried, failed, and lost everything, until he discovered a wisdom so powerful it changed his life forever. And today, it might just change yours too. Vikram had big dreams. He worked hard. He gave everything he had, in business, in love, in life. But no matter what he did, failure followed him like a shadow. His ventures collapsed, his friendships faded, and the love of his life walked away. Her final words echoed in his mind. "You're lost, Vikram." And she was right. He felt broken, confused, defeated, and one question haunted him. Why? Why did life feel so unfair? One day, with no hope left, Vikram wandered into the mountains. There, he found a monastery, a place of silence and peace where monks sat in deep meditation. And at the center sat a man whose presence was calm and powerful. The great Buddha. Vikram fell at his feet and cried, "I've failed at everything. No matter how hard I try, I only find disappointment. What is the point of my life?" Buddha looked at him kindly and asked, "Tell me, Vikram, if you planted a seed today, would you expect a tree to grow tomorrow?" Vikram shook his head. "Numbered trees take time to grow." Buddha smiled. "And if you kept digging up the soil every day to check if it had sprouted, would the seed ever grow?" Vikram's eyes widened. It would die before it had a chance." Buddha's voice was calm but full of strength. "This is what you've been doing in life," he said. "You plant the seeds of effort, but lose patience. You expect results too quickly, and when they don't come, you give up. Success doesn't grow overnight. It takes time. It takes care. It takes trust." Vikram listened in silence. And suddenly, he understood. He had been chasing outcomes instead of trusting the process. He asked softly, "What should I do now?" Buddha replied, "Walk your path without attachment to success or failure. Work with sincerity, but let go of the result. A tree does not worry whether it will bear fruit. It simply grows." Vikram left the monastery a changed man. He returned to life, but this time, he didn't chase success. He nurtured it. He worked patiently. He learned from his mistakes. He fell and stood back up every time. Slowly, everything began to change. His business started growing. His relationships began to heal. And one day, standing beneath the shade of a great tree, Vikram smiled. He was no longer the man who failed. He was the man who endured, the man who understood. That failure is not the end, it is just a lesson. And patience is the key to true success. So now I ask you, are you like Vikram digging up your own seeds too soon? Are you chasing results instead of trusting the process? Remember this. Success is not a destination, it is a journey. A tree does not grow in a day, neither will you. Be patient, be consistent, keep going. And one day, just like Vikram, you will sit beneath the tree of your own success. If this story touched your heart, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more stories that inspire change. Because sometimes, a little wisdom is all it takes to turn your failure into your greatest transformation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And remember, the best is yet to come.